Into this world of technology, a lot of hobbies online can make you good return on your investment, and no doubt among these hobbies can be if you get into cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency or blockchain has taken the world by storm, and so many people are getting a very good return or fortunes from either trading or investing in it in one way or the other. But the bottom line is to get a crypto asset. Perhaps you hold, and over time it become a ton of fortune. And that is exactly what we have been exploring on this channel. And one of the things that we enjoy in this channel is to get adequate knowledge to help us prepare so that we can know exactly what to do. It's on this backdrop that I want to share with you what I've come to learn, what I've come to see, and what I've also concluded with the new project called Wrap Picoin. So in this video, we're going to look at the timelines of what the developers or those behind the Wrap Picoins have made. We're going to look at all the ambition, whether this ambition is going to translate to something tangible, something profitable, and from there, whether it is worth investing either our time or our money on. So I'm going to lay it bare. The way I feel is going to be very raw and detailed. So if this is something that sounds interesting and something that you want to learn from it, why don't you sit back so that we continue in the discussion. And even if you're not mining Wrap Picoin, you might gain one or two lessons or principles that you can apply in other crypto projects, and that is exactly what we're going to do here. To all my returning subscribers and new viewers, you are all welcome to this channel, and if this is your first time of joining us, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to like our video, share our video, turn on the post notification after you've subscribed. Please, it's very necessary and that costs nothing. Thank you for doing that. And a special shout out to Wumi Eric, who reached out to me to make a video on Wrap Picoin. I promised making that video since Monday, but my 9 to 5 has not given me the opportunity to do that. So let us jump right into it and see what we can glean from the ambition of the developers of Wrap Picoin. So here is a channel on Telegram, and right now we can see that they have monthly users of about 606,418 users, and we see that actually the Telegram group started on May 28th, and we see that they have posted their launching time, which is there. But when we got to let's say May 6th, they release an announcement, and that announcement talks about the node for Wrap Picoin, and they invite users to join node. So does joining the node, is it free? Well, we're going to come into that and discuss something that is very important that we should know. And when we also scroll a little bit downward, we're going to see that another announcement was made on June 9th. Another announcement was an AMA section, which was held, I think, in Twitter, and was also broadcast in other social media channel. And the meaning or the purpose of AMA is to ask me anything. That is just what it stands for, that the community should feel free to ask the developers anything they want to ask, so that both the community and the developer will have a focus, and the community will know what exactly the developers are up to or what they tend to do in the future. So that actually happened on the 9th of June 2025. So that was done. However, I didn't join, so I really do not know what went down there. Then on the 13th, a promotion came. Again, another announcement in the timeline, which says that you can get 10% WPI when you join node. So here they are giving incentive for people to join node, and it happened for a limited period of time. And they were also launching what they call a fair launch, and that happened on June 15. So for that, they say that they are launching the WPI giveaway for the node community, and that is why that 10% bonus was actually offered at that time. Then we see that on June 16, another announcement was done where they did an IDO which went live on PancakeSwap, and it is called PancakeSwap, which is equal to SPIS, and it's launched. Is a launch of the Wrap Picoin, and they invite people to join. They wrote that Wrap Pi fair launch announcement, Pancake IDO is live, and they say that the PancakeSwap PIS is a decentralized exchange, which is a DEX built on the Pi network, providing a convenient, fast, and highly secured trading solution for users. And they invite people to join the first launch project on Pi Coin, and that will help you to own the PIS tokens. So that was the announcement that went down on the 16th. Well, when you get back to on the 17th of June, which is the last announcement that was made, was a pre-sale and which went live. And the pre-sale is for a launch pad of Pi coin. And this is what the announcement says. Say, Pi Fish, the leading DeFi game and NFT build on the Pi blockchain with gaming feature to earn Pi and the PIFI token. That is the Pi Fish. That the Pi Fish will be the leading game chosen by the pioneering community in the near future. And they also say that encouraging people to join that Pi Fish. And the pre-sale was on, and they also invite people to own tokens before it is listed. So this is my take on the Pi coin. When you get into the mining section of Pi coin, one thing that is beautiful about Pi coin is that the mining just continues endlessly. So at any time you visit the Telegram channel, you can collect what is being mined. And another thing also I come to see in the Pi coin is that if you join the node, which you are supposed to join with a certain number of Ashra Pi, to start the node mining, you are going to get a very high yield of your mining per hour on the Pi coin. So for you to join the node and have that high mining power, what you're going to do is you pay in some Pi in exchange to join the node mining system, and from there you'll be getting a lot of Pi, around mine Pi. And the system also say that for those who are joining the node, they can actually have the opportunity to swap Pi coin to Ashra Pi, and when that swap is done, you can transfer it to any exchange and sell. So to me, that sounds like incentive and a trap to bring in people to be interested in joining the node mining of Pi coin. Now, this is where I come in. This project just starts, and nobody really know whether it's going to be successful at the end of the day. But this project is already taking off by introducing a lot of mechanism where you will invest, or where you have to invest before you earn. And that's, to me, send wrong signal. Personally, I'm saying this from experience. There are a lot of smart guys out there, and one thing that baffles me is that most of these guys that comes up with this project, they are smart. And the surprising thing is that they are not interested to use whatever thing they have upstairs for something good. They want to make quick buck, introduce a very fantastic project, look beautiful on the outside, on the white paper, and on the app section or level. Then they turn around and make a rock pool of the whole community by vanishing with people's, any or investment, and which does not sit well with me. For any good project, I believe should be absolutely free. Like Pi Network. Pi Network never receive any investment for you to own Pi token, and it is still so up to this day, even though Pi is now legally traded on the exchange. So why should a project coming under the Pi blockchain receive something in return before they give out? Why should I buy what I don't know if it's going to have value? That is exactly the question I ask myself, and that is why right from the onset I am not ready to invest a dime in Pi coin. So if They like, let them give those who are going to invest in the node mining 1 million Pi per hour. I don't think I'm down for such. Then another thing again that happens in the crypto industry is jumping on the trend to scam community. You know, whenever any crypto project launches and that project is successful and people are talking about that project, and that project has viability, has something to offer, it has utilities, you're going to see a lot of people coming up, you know, under that project to scam people. We saw it when Core launched and there was Core, you know, Cake, and that Core Cake came and took so many people's money, and other project came after Core, you know, swindling people in the name of launching a project on the Core blockchain. We also see what happened in the Telegram explosion of different meme coin coming under the Telegram mining, you know, section that was the rave of the moment because of the success of Notcoin. And when Notcoin launches, it became a massive success. A lot of people made money out of Notcoin. But the question I also ask is, how many times have you heard of Notcoin? People are not talking about Notcoin any longer. So can I really call that success? Well, that will be a story for another day. So guys, that's all we want to take on wrap Bitcoin, and our best advice is for us to trade on the path of caution. If you found this video helpful, why don't you share it so that other people can also benefit from this tip that we shared here. And if this is your first time, don't forget, as we said, hit that subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and always come back. But most importantly, drop your thoughts in the comment section, because crypto talk continues in the comment section. In our next video, we're going to talk about more on the Pi Day that is coming on June 28th, how it's going to affect the price of Pi network, and where will the price of Pi network swing to in this month of June. That is what we are going to talk in our next video. So keep your eyes peeled, as I want to see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.